Hello, welcome to my channel, and to my subscribers, welcome back. Let's check in with Spirit and see what Spirit has to say today. Life is not always about going and doing. It is time to take off your disguises. You have been programmed by society to push. And as a result, it causes you to be not at ease in your body, and it creates diseases, and you become handicap, as they say in your language. But we want you to know that you are not handicapped in our eyesight. You have within you everything that you need to prosper and to grow. Do not allow yourself to succumb to the ways of the world, but stay in touch with your spirit, that you might be able to get answers that help you to feel alive inside and vibrant, as opposed to not having the energy that you need. And so examine your beliefs and throw away that which does not resonate within your spiritual body. And know that we are here to support you in all of your endeavors. Keep moving forward with vibrancy. Release that which no longer serves you and embrace vitality. Goodwill towards mankind. Peace be unto you.